Clement with Kathy by Design for the Button Farm Club. I'm excited today to be with you and to give you a sneak peek of my next kit for Button Farm. We're going to be making some really fun Christmas home decor with Simple Stories Vintage Yuletide collection. This is going to be something that you're going to be proud to put on display. It's also going to double as a gift item. So there's lots of potential with this kit, and I can't wait to show you what we're making. First, we'll take a look at the papers and what comes in your kit. You're going to get this 6x8 pad of simple vintage Yuletide papers. There are 24 papers in here. Absolutely gorgeous, traditional Christmas colors, patterns, just really a wonderful, wonderful collection. And I'm so excited that we get to work with this together. It's one of my favorite Christmas collections for 2024. So when I saw it, this idea popped in my head. We're also going to get the package of decorative brads. This is 27 brads and 6 adhesive chipboard pieces. These are going to be beautiful on what we're making. I'm not going to give that away yet. You're also going to get the package of bits and pieces. This is 41 ephemera cuts. These are heavy cardstock, and just look at the beautiful vintage designs. They are wonderful. Then you're going to get 2 sheets of 12 by 12 from this collection. Both really beautiful, and we're going to put them to good use. For cardstock, you're going to get 10 sheets of 8.5 by 11 smooth cardstock in colors that go really well with the paper collection. You're going to get a sheet of acetate, clear acetate. Are you getting a hint of what we might be making? You're going to get 2 sheets of craft cardstock. You're going to get 3 sheets of 12 by 12 chipboard. Are you curious yet? And you're also going to get my brand new scalloped shaker tag die. I designed this specifically for this kit for the Button Farm Club. You can use it with this kit, but it's got a million different uses, and I can't wait to show you all the different ways you can put this to use. It comes with 2 pieces. There's the base, and then there's this liner, which you can also use to create a shaker window. And here are some of the samples that I made with this. You can see there's lots of potential with this fun die. So that comes with your kit, which is amazing. Now, what about the fun stuff? Well, you're going to get 10 of these rusty jingle bells, which I just adore with this paper collection. You're going to get 10 of these beautiful wooden buttons, all in shades of Christmas colors. You're going to get 10 beautiful suede poinsettias. You're going to get a package of sequins. These are so sweet. There's actually a little reindeer in there, which I just love, and traditional Christmas colors. You're going to get 15 yards of sparkle yarn, which we're going to do such fun things with this, and 4 of these little bun feet, because, my friends, we are going to build a box that will display our tags and will also double as home decor. So along with your kit, you're going to get the basic written guide with detailed photos and basic measurements and score lines. And you're also going to get access to the video tutorials where I make this project with you step by step. You can keep these videos for as long as they last, and you can watch them over and over again. So you can craft in your pajamas, you can craft whenever you have time, you can watch things over and over again. I think you're really going to love what we're making, and I'll be back in just a minute to show you what that is.
O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright.
So what are we making? Well, how about this really adorable home decor piece? We're going to build this lovely little box, and we're going to fill it up with Christmas tags that double as gifts. Our little box has wooden feet on the bottom, and it's filled with tags that we make with our brand new tag die. These are interactive tags. 4 of these are folio tags that have a gift card pocket right here, room to write a message. This little pull-out feature latches closed. We have our yarn toppers. We have beautiful poinsettias. We have rusty jingle bell, little tags, all of our sweet little brads, and then sequins and buttons. These are really special, and they make a great last minute gift. I like to keep these on hand during the holidays because there's always somebody you forget, and it's so easy to pull one of these out and give them, put a little coffee coupon or a little, just little something inside as a gift for hairdressers and people who do your nails and the postman and the delivery people, teachers, friends, co-workers. These are great Secret Santa gifts. So, and they look terrific on display in the box. So half of these are folio tags, half of them are shaker tags, and I think you're going to love how easy these shaker tags are to make. The shaker tags are also double-sided, and on the back they have a pocket with a little note card where you can write your message, and of course room to tuck in a gift card if you wish. So there are 4 of each tag, and I'll just show you very quickly. These are so sweet, and this will look terrific on your desk in your office or on your entry table, on a sideboard. They're just really darling little tags. So I can see this box once the tags are all given away, or you might choose to just keep these and put them out every year. But how sweet would this box be, filled up with greenery and ornaments or candy, whatever you'd like to do. The box is really a great little size. It's covered on all 4 sides, so if you have it as a table centerpiece, even the people on the wrong side of the table can enjoy something pretty to look at. It's super sturdy. It's much easier to make than you might think. So if you would like to order this kit, it's available now at the Button Farm Club, ready to ship. You will have time to get this made before the holidays because these really are easy to make thanks to the die. And it's just a unique and beautiful little gift for the holidays. So that's what we're making with Simple Stories Yuletide and all these wonderful goodies from the Button Farm Club. I'll put a link in the description box below where you can find the kit. And that's it for me, Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design, for the Button Farm Club. Happy holidays, y'all.